You can already see that we have our voice feature already enabled once you open a project, and this will allow you to either, one, read anything that's in the current chapter, or two, dictate and have it being drafted in our chapter for us. So for instance, let's say I want to do an opening. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to say, oh, I need to allow it. In the morning, when she woke up, she knew something was different this day. Alright, so once you've done recording your content, you can hit transcribe and that will go through the AI process just to kind of get exactly what you're saying. And we can see it recorded and write exactly what I wanted. But then we can take this and we can even expand it a bit more using the automatic AI features. So this will go through a bit of a time here, and once it's done, you can already see the information that is being provided. Now we have a starting point. This is awesome. But we can go a step further than this, and let's say that we actually want to, provide a bit more context for the AI, or even for us when we're drafting a story. We can hit the slash command and generate outline. Now, once the outline has been generated, this will give us a framework for how this chapter is to be written. And because we already have the acts already laid out from the template that we selected earlier, this will give us, on the AI, more context into how we want the story to be planned out. Okay, so now we have the outline for chapter 1. We can also take this and go to, let's say we click this, or you can also click edit chapter details and you can drop it into the chapter outline and close. So the information is all there. All we need to do now is say continue writing. The AI will work with the information provided from the codex, from the chapter title and position in the acts. It takes all that information in and begins crafting your story. So as you can see, we're already up to 263 words and our story is off to the races. Now, if you do want to get more granular than this, you can also look at advanced AI features. So I'm going to delete that, and then we can go up to the top here and hit the slash command and use the feature Ask AI. With Ask AI, you are given the option to select any model that we have listed within StoryLegend. Now that we have our model selected, even without entering in the prompt, it defaults to continue writing. But we also want to focus on the main key points here, such as now we can actually select a POV, such as our character, and we can also select POV for the story, whether or not it's going to be third person, first person, or any other method that you'd like to use when you're writing. We're going to select first person. And then we can also select the tense, whether it be past tense or present tense, we can use that. I'm going to select present tense for now. And then if you do have multiple chapters, you can also select those chapters from here so that you can provide the AI with just the right amount of context that you need. But for now, because we're in chapter 1, we're not going to do that. And the temperature allows you to create how creative the AI is. But 0.7 is a pretty good place, so we're going to set that as a default and hit generate. Awesome. So here we have it, that it's using both the character's perspective and everything is in present tense as well. So that's how you can also begin crafting your story based on how you'd want to tell the story narrative. You have full control over that.